Hello traders and happy Sunday. Today is August 9th. I'm doing some weekend scans for some potential plays coming up into the following week. Right now I'm going to be going over ticker symbol ZSAN, and this is a penny stock. So always with penny stocks, use extra caution and make sure you keep an eye on that volume. Volume is going to be your lifeline. So looking right now, we have the 10-day 30-minute chart up, and we see from on July 30th, we have a nice steady incline coming on the price action, and this is causing the trend lines, the 200 SMA and the 50 SMA, to ride up with it. And actually, just a little interesting thing I noticed about that 50 SMA that actually is riding up. You see it fall down right here, bounces off here, goes down, bounces off again, comes down, drips down a little bit for a second before bouncing back up, and still acting as support all the way up. And that's what I really like to see, a nice steady uptrend. So drawing up some points of interest, I definitely want to highlight this area around 145. So 145 in the last couple of days has shown some areas of interest. It did have some resistance in the pre-market hours, and then after market hours you see that it broke up there, and it came back down, bounced off that, and so forth, and then it came back down, bounced off that again, and it stayed above it. So I'm going to say this is pretty much looking like an area of support. So me going into this, I would love to buy around 150, maybe even build a larger position if price was able to go down to 130. Below 130, I'll be honest, I probably wouldn't add. Maybe at 125, but 130, it's probably where I'd be done adding into any long position, and below 120 is where I'd cut losses. Anyways, so moving forward, I would love to be buying around the 150 range and ride this up. So up to where, you're wondering? Well, let's take a look at the yearly chart. And on the yearly chart, we see that this is a pretty big move the last couple of days. Price has gone over the 50 SMA and the 200 SMA. And an interesting thing that's going to be happening soon is we're going to have a golden cross. It looks like this 50 SMA, if the price still stays up, is going to curl up more and cross over that 50 SMA. Now, usually the golden cross is a lagging indicator, meaning when you see it, the big move already happened. However, even though this is a pretty good move right now, there might be some more on the table. So looking in past resistance areas and supports, I would say right here around this $2 mark is definitely the next big area of resistance. And actually, just wanted to touch up on this. Remember our 45 support on the intraday? If you draw that up, actually, it was support over here as well. So a little thing to see. So just a quick recap. I will be buying in the 150 range, giving myself about 10 cents on each side to add to build into a longer position if I am able to. And I'm going to have a price target right before $2 at 198. Alright, and if you're wondering why 198 is, I always like to cut on front of the big hold numbers. Large institutions usually type those numbers in and they will get filled before you. I would just like to beat them to the punch on that one. Well, everyone, I know this was a quick video. It is raw, unedited, just right off the top. Hope it helped you see the chart a little bit better, help you break down maybe a certain trade pattern that you could see yourself profiting off of it. And if you always like what you see here, for more, definitely check out our YouTube. Subscribe at Tactical Traders. We also have Instagram, tactical_traders, and that we post all of our profit and losses, a few little charts here and there, some motivation memes, and just some good old funny memes. We're also on Stock Twits at Tactical Traders and on Facebook. And if you really want to get into it and you really want to see live what we're trading every day, our entries, our exits, our price targets, our charting, we share a screen with you. We break down strategies, patterns. We make you become a better trader every single day, and we follow up with you personally. Definitely come check out our chat room. You can get access to it through tacticaltraders.com. Well, everyone, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great, profitable week. Thank you, and goodbye.